Haikou, hey yeah, Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything, little bit of everything, everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.
So this little alley has a temple, so I'd like to try to walk in there a little bit, and then we're going to walk down this street. They're selling fresh fruits, all kinds of different stuff. There's little alleys, little homes. So we're in Haikou. Not too far away from here is a little fish market, which I just did the last video, so I'll link it at the end if you want to see what that looks like. And we're going to walk down this little narrow alley, and I kind of want to see what this looks like, this little community of a temple right here as well. Haikou, Hainan Island, China, mainland China. So this is the little tropical island of Hainan. Haikou is the biggest city there. And this particular street is of a China temple that we're going to start at. But then we're going to just kind of meander around through all these little alleys in Haikou, which are pretty dang cool, if you ask me. And this Macau temple, I've seen this style in other cities in China too. It's like a neighborhood. It's like a I don't know. That's one thing I like about China. Like you get all these little narrow alleys and you get temples. And they seem so community based, you know, where people are hanging out and such like that. This one is no exception. It's very similar as well. Just that beautiful vibe of it. Anyways, I know you're not here to listen to me talk about it. You are here to, as if you were there yourself. You want to view it as if you were there yourself. Got some music there too. The lyrics are on the screen. And I'm going to start the walk and talk time in Haikou, China. Let's do it. So yeah, actually, let me just kind of walk. So it looks like there's a temple right there. It's pretty amazing. So this is like all kind of community. You can actually eat in here. And there's actually a table up there too. So this is and I kind of noticed this throughout China, is there's little communities of temples. There's also these little alleys too. Kind of want to go down an alley and see what that looks like too. So it looks like that community is a temple there, and you can hello. I think she might be inviting for food, I don't know. But yeah, anyways, we're in Haikou. Check out all these homes. Look how close those are together. So we're just gonna stroll through. There's like, I think I walked through some of these yesterday, but they kind of feel like you're in somebody's living room a little bit. Little homes like this. The homes are like right out on the street. So it looks pretty cool. So I think people just come out of their living rooms and they'll sit out on the just kind of cruise by here real quick. So we're just going to navigate through here a little bit. I know we're in the downtown of Haikou, and I know we're near the tourist areas. But I don't know the name of the street, but I think I see it here. Right there. So we're going to keep on navigating. Huh, there's more interesting stuff. But we're gonna just go around the corner here. Before we do, this is where we're at. Yeah, you can see like people's homes are no dogs. Don't know what that means, no dogs. Oops. Wow, check that out. There's like little, it's like a rooftop with a thing around it. Okay, so now we're going to be going into this kind of dark space. So we're definitely just meandering the alleys, and right now it looks really dark, and it's about 11 in the morning, almost noon. It is kind of cloudy here, and I think I was reading that Haikou has a lot of cloudy days. So we're not even on the same street that we were on before, but don't think so. I was walking around last night and I meandered around in this area a little bit. There's all these alleys everywhere. But we're going to try to go around here, so I believe that we can come through like this. Let's do that.
I'm holding my breath. It's all varnished there.
Look it. Okay, so we're gonna come out to the main street here. Made it. Okay, so we're just in these back alleys. I'll try to tie it into something here real quick for you. Okay, so that was actually called Dashing East Road. So let me just capture that. So Dashing East Road, and then we're actually at the corner of Boal North and Dashing East. So I think that was part of that. And then if we wanted to continue down it, we would go down this way, down Dashing. This feels like a pedestrian street. There's no cars on this one. The other thing you'll notice too throughout here is they'll put this so that the motor scooters can't park there. So the pedestrians have a space to walk on. And I think there's some tourist streets down that way. And all the shop houses, but I think this one is open to the public. I'm gonna come back over here real quick. I just want to make sure I capture that called Dashing. So that was called Dashing East, Dashing West. So that way if somebody wants to try to find it, they can. So because I'm on Dashing, I'm going to continue down Dashing, at least a little ways. So much construction everywhere. So we'll just navigate a little bit further down. So industrious, like so much industry, so many things going on. I think they painted that one. Blue trim around there. Oh. So actually that one he has some of the windows there for that. Anyways, I'm getting, I just wanted to give you a sample of Dashing, but the main thing I wanted to get was that little alley. So, but you can see that the stuff is kind of endless with interesting alleys, different stuff around. So let's end it right here. As soon as that car goes around. They're doing lots of stuff, lots of repair to these buildings. Wish they'd do that in Macau. Okay.
Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around Just walk around. I'm Haikou City.